Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi, and I'm excited to get into the store this week. I missed advent calendars because I was traveling last week for my daughter's medical care, and I'm hoping that they have one that I'm looking for. So we'll get in and see if it's there. And also, I wanted to let you guys know, I get this question kind of frequently, but how do I feed my family of 5 on the small amount of groceries I buy some weeks? So I wanted to give some insight. One, I don't only shop at Aldi. Aldi's the only one I shop every week. Number 2, I do things like go to Trader Joe's and Costco tonight when I'm on that side of town, and I'll pick up things, but I don't always make a haul about it because it's not video worthy or it's not the size of a video. Also, like this summer, my in-laws grew green beans and they have blueberry bushes. We get produce from them, or I get produce from Imperfect Foods deliveries. Also, if I don't eat a meal that I planned a week before, it rolls over, so I don't have to buy stuff for that. Also, I like to buy my meat in bulk, so if I find chicken on sale, you guys know I buy 60, 70 pounds of chicken at a time. I'll prep it, put it in the freezer, and then I don't have to buy chicken for a long time. I do the same thing with ground beef. I buy it and I prep taco meat, and then I have taco meat for different meals. I freeze leftover portions of meat, and I know a lot of times that makes it look like I don't buy as much, but I pull from my pantry, I pull from my freezer, from my in-laws supply. There are so many ways that I get food other than Aldi. Aldi is just the only one I shop every single week, and it's my favorite, so that's why I share a weekly haul with you guys. I hope that clears things up. I definitely feed my family enough. Also, I only eat one meal a day, so I typically don't eat breakfast and lunch, and we also love to go out to eat. So all in all, that's how we survive on my weekly grocery hauls. It's not just Aldi, but Aldi's my favorite. Now let's get into the store. These tarts look really good to me. I'm not buying them this week, but $5.89. They look delicious. Okay, first win of the day. I'm actually making pita chips, and my daughter wants pita for her lunch, so I was gonna buy 2 packs, and they're on sale, saving 10 cents each for $2.89 a pack. For the pita chips, I'm gonna try the whole wheat and flax. For my daughter, I got white. I have leftover chicken, shredded chicken, that we're gonna turn into sandwiches, and these brioche rolls look really good. $3.29. I'll slice them in half, and they'll be like sliders. I need cilantro to make salsa this week, 85 cents. I wanted to get kiwi, but we don't have any, so I'm going to get a mango at $1.39. And I'm gonna get a cantaloupe. My kids really like the last one I got. Very easy for meals, $2.59. Slice it for dinner. More mini cucumbers for lunches, $1.89. Also for lunches, mandarins. Haven't bought these in a while. My son loves them, $3.59. Aldi got me stuck on the Califia Farms coconut almond milk, and I still buy it from another store because I love it. It's so good. I don't like eggnog, but I thought that looked fun. $4.99. Some other new things: peppermint mocha Starbucks, espresso, pumpkin spice latte espresso. They also have peppermint mocha almond milk creamer. Lots of yummies, holiday-ish. I need butter. I'm running low. $3.29. My daughter asked for baby pickles, so I'm gonna get her these. I don't know that she will love these the same as dill, but I'm kind of excited, and she likes to try different foods, so we're gonna try these, and they're on sale for $1.99, so bonus. I almost died because I went to Meijer yesterday to get some potatoes. It was $3.49 for a 3-pound bag, and the 10-pound was like $9. So thank you, Aldi, for good price potatoes. Okay, I use these crushed tomatoes to make my blender salsa. It is like the Pioneer Woman's recipe, but I use it a little different. So I use these, $1.39. I need some barbecue sauce for our chicken sandwiches, $1.45. Well, we tried this on the road trip last week, and we both really liked it. It's very thin, and I actually really loved it. I can see why Ryan recommends it. $3.89, and I am going to get the smoked and the teriyaki to try those as well. Very yummy. Okay, I love these children's pillows. Look how cute these are. I love those two. My son would still love them. He's young enough to still love these, but he does not need another pillow. So I'm gonna pass, but they're so cute. Lots of serving items and different fun things. I have a great thermometer, but that looks like a great value at $10. Somehow, if you're making all this food, you need a new belt. You're gonna upsize, right? I thought this is amazing, and maybe something I should get, but I really like my plastic one. Potato masher that folds. Only $5. Lots of fun different things here still. All the slippers are still here. Heavy duty aluminum foil. Character pajamas are super cute. Ooh, mittens, snow pants, coats, and it's not like middle of the season. Go Aldi. I might get my son some backups. I'm not even gonna give them to him until he loses his other ones, but we still have some from last year, but these are $6 and a great value. Super cute, seeing all the holiday stuff, love them, not buying them. Little treetop table, lots of pretty items. Aprons, stuff from last week. I love all these German baked goods that I won't even try to pronounce. Different gingerbreads, cookies, cakes, lots of yummy looking things. One thing I'm always surprised Aldi doesn't have is bay leaves. I need them, they don't have them, gotta go elsewhere. But they do have the Rotel, their version, for 89 cents. I need 2 of them for my salsa. Okay, I'm gonna get the Parmesan and Romano, $2.95. We just keep one of these 2 in the refrigerator running low. Okay, look at all the holiday goodness coming here. We love to do holiday baking. Super excited for all this stuff. Look at all those sprinkles. Lots of fun holiday items coming, including the ugly sweater and ninja bread. Adorable. I was able to get 6 of my favorite waters, 89 cents a piece. Oh goodness, my daughter asked me if Aldi sold these and I didn't think so. She wanted me to get them for her, $5.29. I'm gonna get them for her to take in her lunches. My older daughter wanted those. And then I don't often or always see these half sours. I think these are the same as half done. And apparently, and I could be totally wrong on this, but it was explained to me that these are like very normal in Jewish delis, which in Maryland, they are much more frequent than Michigan. So we haven't found these locally, but Elsie loved half done pickles. So I'm gonna try these at $4.29 and see if she likes them. Okay guys, we have all of the holiday meats. Meet the lineup. Turkey, fully cooked turkey, never any turkey, turkey breast. It's all here. Mix a little sweet potato casserole. I know people go nuts for this. We don't eat sweet potatoes, but it's here, guys. Ham. I don't go ham for ham, but I know some people like it and are excited for it to be here. We have cauliflower butternut squash and stuffed gnocchi. Pizzas, 1 thing of open stromboli, lots of lobster mac and cheese, the different bake, shrimp and lobster bake. And wouldn't you know it, I come for the Gouda ravioli and they don't have it. I'm a little disappointed, but I knew I should have bought it earlier if I want it. It's like Aldi 101. The quiche still looks delicious to me. Pumpkin latte. Not many pies left. Looking pretty low over here. Okay, I love this tzatziki, and I'm taking this to shawarma night at my in-laws. My mother-in-law said I didn't even have to bring anything, but I thought this would be an easy addition. I'm gonna make pita chips, $3.39. I'm also getting the pine nut roasted hummus for my daughter's lunch with the pita. I'm getting gouda for chicken sandwiches, $1.89. My older daughter Mila asked me to get hash brown patties. She is a potato lover and every once in a while wants to air fry these, $5.49. Beef taquitos, $4.99. Gonna have these with dinner this week. Peas for our pasta meal later this week, 95 cents. Okay, I didn't get the specialty ravioli, so this will have to do, $3.89. Well, I was gonna get blueberry wine, but it's not here, so I'll just consider that a sign that I didn't need it. No blueberry. Okay, this was not on my list, but my daughter Elsie loves slime, and $16.99 for the slime calendar. Absolutely, I'm getting it for her. Very excited for that. Now this is the one I wanted to get for our dog. Dog advent calendar, $7.99. So excited that they still have it. Also, I always get my kids just the chocolate one. It's super fun. $1.49. I'm gonna get green, red, and blue. These remind me of being a kid. I love these. This absolutely makes me so excited. The stocking stuffers are here. These are cute, but we thought they were awful tasting. Not gonna buy this year, but they're adorable. Lots of fun yummies, caramel corns, clusters, dip pretzels, and all the name brand candies too. And there are so many of these, which we love to give as gifts. $3.49. Okay, here is my cart. Any guesses on the total? Okay, my total is $117.55. Okay, the meal plan for this week. Tonight, Monday, we are having the Momofuku Noodles with air fryer steak. This is leftover from last week. I was going to make this when we got back from our trip, but we were just a bit delayed and tired and got carry-out pizza instead. So this moved from last week. We were having leftovers. Last night on Sunday, I made my big chicken and dumpling, homemade biscuits, homemade mashed potatoes, green beans, a giant meal. I made enough to have leftovers, so we're having that tomorrow night. We're having taquitos and chips with homemade salsa. We already have cheese sauce, and then I have black bean taquitos from Trader Joe's for my vegetarian. And my middle daughter prefers black bean to meat ones anyways. So we're gonna have those on Wednesday. When I made the chicken and dumplings, I also had leftover shredded chicken, so I'm using that for barbecue chicken sandwiches and potato wedges. We will have fruit with this, very simple, with the chicken already being made, but I'm looking forward to that. Friday, we're going to my in-laws for family dinner. It's my brother-in-law's birthday. I'm gonna make pita chips and have the tzatziki sauce. It's gonna be a shawarma meal, but I get it easy. I'm making very little and look forward to that meal as well. Another family event out of town. It's gonna be a potluck. I plan to bring no-bake cookies, but I have everything on hand for the potluck, and it's out of town, a surprise party, and I'm looking forward to that as well. And then Sunday, I'm gonna make pasta, ravioli, spaghetti. I'm gonna make homemade breadsticks. We'll have Alfredo sauce, red sauce, and peas. I'm looking forward to the ravioli, and my kids don't eat ravioli, so they'll have just the regular spaghetti that I already have on hand. I mentioned I'm gonna make no-bake cookies for the potluck. If you wanna see how I make no-bake cookies and get perfect consistency every time, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.